Here we have HAIER V5, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the language on the following device. So first of all, we start from settings, from main menu, and we're looking for language, which is under the personal settings, and first here we wish to change for Espanol, for example, and now language is changed. Go back to the main screen, and again we wish to come back and change language again. Tap on settings and looking for change language again for English. Here we go, and language is changed. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up.